Okay, this is our Sprinter front suspension and steering knuckle and tie rod. We're doing some work here. We've got our tie rod that the outer tie rod, this part is going to get replaced. It is feeling a little bit notchy there. That is going to have to go. This is our CV axle that seems okay. I think we're not going to replace that today, but we are going to replace this. We're getting our wheel bearing replaced. This is our new ball joint down here. That is nice and tight. This is super loose. You can see our steering rack in there. This is able to move around, and that feels tight in there, which is good. And yeah, when you do this, you want to hang your brake rotor, or sorry, your brake caliper off the side. And yeah, this is a better view of our shock. So grease out of there. Band compass inverted rally strut. You can see here the strut goes up. It actually goes into this. And yeah, that's the front end of a Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 van. For those interested, you can also see that's your transfer case, transfer to your front diff. That one there. And you also have your, get off the ground here, you can see that's your rear drive shaft back to your rear diff. So rear diff to there, transfer case, and the transfer case is connected to your front transmission, which is up there. Transmission goes to transfer case, which sends wheel power to the rear wheels most of the time, unless you turn on four-wheel drive, in which case it turns on gears to send power to the fronts, which feed via that front drive shaft and through the front differential to the front wheels. Now you know.